Okay, guys, good afternoon. So we are expecting the market to go higher from here, but we need to have more evidence. Okay, so right now the market is not breaking out. The Nasdaq already did; it already broke out, but it stalled. So the ES is making a hesitation, is making a box. So maybe it can go lower from here, or we're gonna wait and see if when the buyers when the tape fills up with big buyers in the tape. Okay, so maybe they can pull it up a bit and the reverse and then continue. But right now we are in a good scenario. We're gonna wait till the market breaks out really. So right now lots of hesitation. They just hit it there and everything dried up. So we don't know what's gonna do. So we're gonna wait and see, guys. Okay, market reversed as expected, but still don't know what they're gonna do. So we're gonna wait a little bit. See, selling here, but not too much selling. So I'm gonna wait till we hit this ATR and let's see what happens here. See, a little bit of buyers trying to buy it from here, but still no conviction. ES looks very bearish. It's very bearish. All days just going down. So the traders
Brick setup.
don't know what they're doing here. They just stalled, and we see a second box. Still, sellers very shy. Still trying to push price down, but too much hesitation. The order flow is not there. Okay, they're starting to push down. Buyers coming in. Okay, we're gonna place a limit order short here. Market just don't wanna go higher. At least the target can get me to the ATR. Okay, guys, so we cancel the short. We're gonna go long, guys. This
Order
market just
canceled.
don't wanna go short right now. Okay, we got filled here. Okay, there you go, buyers in the tape. Need to see the NQ push higher here.
Long signal
There you
NQ.
go, guys. Big buyers in the tape, 654. Look at
Long
the buy
signal ES.
rush at
Long signal ES.
the NQ.
Long signal NQ.
Okay, got the open fill.
Long signal NQ. Long signal ES. Long signal NQ. Long signal NQ.
Okay, guys,
Order canceled.
I'm out. $600 right there, just for the afternoon. So that's it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. You understood what I did here. As you can see, I never go at market. I always wait. If price is gonna break down, for example, over here in the breakdown, okay, ATR rejection, okay, is expected because we see institutional selling limit orders here. So we expect the market to reverse. Okay, so we
Long
cannot see the
signal
limit
ES.
orders
Long
in the
signal
tape, so
ES.
only market order. You see 1,200 contracts long here, so that's a big contract. These guys are getting out of the market right now. They're puking, so no more trading
Long
for
signal
them. They
ES.
say they're just closing the books.
Brick setup.
Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of the video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information.
Long signal and Q.